from the 1944 movie with Judy Garland. It's the title song. It was written by George Stoll. It's a waltz in 3/4 time. I played in the key of G. The melody for the first part looks like this. The first chord is a G. I start the melody on the 3rd string, and I'm playing a G the whole time. I play a G in the bass every beginning of every measure. Now, along with that bass note, I add a second note to go with my melody to keep in the 3/4 time. The same thing with the C. And then I put a 1, 2, 3 at the end of that G. When I slide up to the B, I don't hit anything in the bass, so it's a solo B. And then when I come back down to the G, that's when I hit my bass. Next chord is a C. And this is a little tricky, hitting the C with a G on the 1st string melody and then moving it down to the F sharp while keeping your C shape. Then you repeat. And then it goes to an A chord, barred up on the 5th. Hit the 7th fret on the 1st string, and then a D chord barred on the 5th. When I say an A chord, I'm really playing an A 7th chord, which leaves my pinky free to play the melody. And it also leaves it free on when I play the B chord. And free when I come back down to the A. Like this. And the melody for the second part is the same as the first. Till this part, and then it goes up to the A, to the D, and then the B, that's the E, and then back down to the A, to the D, and then jumps up to a B chord on the 7th. And then E chord. Goes back down to the 5th for an A. To a D chord. And then you hit these single notes on the 3rd string. And then it goes back to the beginning. And then I go to this A minor 7th, hit the G, and then to this high D, which is just a D chord, except instead of hitting this F sharp, you're hitting this A up here, and then hit the D note, and then go back to the G chord. You can use this A minor 7th and D combination to end the song, or you can use it to continue on and start over.